Welcome to our nightclub two-step workshop. My name is Ari Levitt with rolluptherug.com, and Lisa's going to help demonstrate what we covered today. We started with some elements, and then we combined the elements together in a variety of ways. So the first element was your basic into a left turn with a 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. Left turn that follows inside turn. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good. And then we did a shoulder catch peekaboo, my left and my partner's right, rocking away from each other, going a 1 and 2, 3 and 4, exiting 5 and 6, side, cross, side down the line. Remember, leads, you are stepping off on count 6, stepping off the line, opening up, and doing your side, cross, side to follow the follows. Follows, you're doing the full left turn with a quick left turn and a side, cross, side. And follows, you have the option then of doing the rope spin. So in the rope spin, once your weight is on your right foot, so you stand your right foot, quick, slow. My left foot winds up into my right posting foot and then steps out with a quick. So the key is not to change weight. So I'm going quick, slow rope spin, side, cross, side. That's just a little styling element. We then took all of those and we put them into a couple of patterns. And the first one was, leads are going to do a half a basic with a quick, slow, check right, replace left, and cross over the line with the right foot as I'm shaping toward my partner and I'm releasing my right hand. So that gets us into the peekaboo position. 1 and 2, 3, release 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, I exit 2, down the line, basic, 5 and 6, 7 again. Going 1 and 2, counter check, I float across the 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. The variation of that was take out all the peekaboos and just make it a full 8 count move. Going 1 and 2, counter check 3, cross on 4, exit 5 and 6, side, cross, side, 1 and 2, counter check, cross on 4, 5 and 6, side, cross, side. Excellent, very nice. So that was the first half of our combinations. And then we did a lovely combination utilizing the left-hand turn. For the leads, I'm going to invite my partner into the inside turn, but I'm keeping my hands at shoulder level, changing hands and getting into shadow. I'm going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 into shadow, 7 and 8. We both rock back, 1 and 2, leads counter check, cross line on 4, and I'm gonna right over left, and I've crossed the line, and I'm doing my exit with the peekaboo feel, with rock back, I'm off the line on 6, follow my partner down the line with a double head loop, and I do a little neck wrap at the very end there. So breaking that down, the very end was right over left. I'm in peekaboo position. It's 5 on 6, I'm off the line, and my hands are drifting downstream to follow my partner. And then as I'm doing my side cross side, my hands come up and around. Left hand falls over my neck. My right hand goes to the back here. If my partner is much smaller than I am, or I'm very tall, which is not the case here, I can also drop the hand on my shoulder. I can always do the shoulder drop there. So from my right over left, it would be quick, slow. I'm just gonna drop the hand on the shoulder on this side right here. Nice. Yeah, so doing that whole thing together, let's start this way. We're gonna go 1 and 2, 3, left turn, 5 and 6 into the shoulder. Good. 1, I counterbalance on the 3, cross on 4, 5, I'm off the line on 6, side, cross, side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. A couple variations we talked about is put everything together that we just did today. Starting with that combination and flowing into the first one is very nice. So I'm going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 in the shadow, 7 and 8, 1 counterbalance, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 here. 1, I check in 3 and 4, cross the line, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Nice. Another little variation that we could do is you could bring the partner down the line, going 5 and 6, keep my hands low. I can go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Just roll my partner in. So that might look like this. Going 1 and 2, 3, left, turn to shadow, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, counter check, 3, cross 4, 5, keep the hands down. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Nice, thank you, Lisa. Thank you guys for coming out today. Really nice material. Great to see you here, and have a wonderful holiday season.